Let me see.
I'll be the other side of this.
What do you think?
Sure, her surprise.
Uh-huh. Wow, Mackenzie. That one's from Amanda. Amanda got that for you.
I got that for you.
Amanda.
Yeah, you like it?
Well,
Very nice.
you
huh?
put it on the wall and you lean back.
You put it over here so you can sit and wrap your presents and lean back. And sit against it. Isn't it pretty?
Ah.
Who's on your ear?
Oh, wait a minute. Santa ate his cookies.
Who's on your ear?
Okay, let's take them off. Take that off. Nothing. There. It does open.
Nothing's in there.
It's just for putting things away.
That's so cute.
What did Santa bring you?
This. Oh.
Bless you. Some hair things? So you can fix your hair in the morning. Bless you.
Barbie dress. Whoa. Hi guys. Wow.
You got lipstick.
He knows Christmas.
Bless you. Yeah. Do you have a drawer? And you can open does your drawer open? Yep, you can put stuff in it. And what's in that pink bucket? Oh, you got your own blow dryer. Did you see your blow dryer?
No.
Oh, he knows you want to blow dry your hair.
Yeah.
What's in that box? Yeah.